today what we're going to do is some tasty appetizers for you. If you love onions and you love bacon, this is the show for you. And we're going to have our onion mac and cheese. Our next onion ring dish is pizza and onion ring. You have turkey pepperoni. So now let me show you how to make these really quickly. So, Ian,
yes,
you're going to make hamburger.
Okay, I'll take this one here.
Yes.
All right. Take a good
and
salt.
The hamburger, I just seasoned it with just some basic seasoning salt and added just a little cayenne pepper to my liking. But you can do whatever you want. You don't even have to do it like that, Ian, but go ahead. Since you made a little burger, you just kind of stuff it in.
Yeah.
Right? And then now you want to put your cheese, your sliced cheese.
Okay.
So any sliced cheese that you want.
Okay, right.
You want to hide it and be a surprise.
Okay. Now what?
Now you want to put some more meat on top of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so wow.
It's a surprise. Now I get what you're saying. It's beautiful.
So to make sure that you have more meat on it to cover the top.
You know, you always fill me with all these surprises. I love it. You do it.
What is life without surprises? But good surprises.
Oh,
you don't want any cheese sweeping out, so you want to totally cover that.
Yes.
So you want to do your other one.
Yes, I will.
And we're gonna move right along, and I'll do the mac and cheese.
Yes, please, because we don't want
to have any crust contamination.
Thank you. Always
so
good.
You want to put your mac and cheese. And you're going to have to freeze these. In order to fry them, you have to freeze them.
Yes.
You have to freeze them for an hour to an hour and a half. And then you'll put them in your egg. Your flour, you should have a base. Your flour is your binding. So you put, I myself have flour here, and I put a little seasoning salt in it, some paprika, and a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of cayenne. Again, you could make it bare with nothing, but I just think that it gives a little bit more flavor. So you want to just coat it in a little bit of flour, your egg wash, and then your panko, your breadcrumb. All right, so this is done. So we want to now
change our gloves.
Yes.
This.
Okay.
I'm going to take some turkey bacon.
You're going to be stingy and not do a pork one?
I'll do a pork one. I'm going to start with the turkey one first. I'm going to take a tater tot. I'm going to take it like that. I'm going to roll it.
Okay.
I'm going to cut. So cut it right here.
That's good, Ian.
Yes.
You learn well.
Mama, you're teaching me. It always is a good thing to learn. And another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your sticks in water. You want to soak them, right, Mama? You told me?
That's right. So that will prevent your sticks from burning or possibly causing a mini fire. So if you put it in water, that will help.
And I will do one with the beautiful, beautiful bacon.
Now you know you're not going to be able to go back and touch your turkey.
No. I'm not. I'm only doing one each, Mama.
And then these, you're not going. You could deep fry them, but I just think they're so much better in the air fryer. So that's what we do.
Come on, I'll give you that.
Thank you. All right. We just put this and the reason that we put the toothpick as well is to hold it, since it's still trying to, it's really soft and coming apart. So you want it to be able to form its shape. So that's what you put. Well, this is turkey, right?
Yeah.
So, all right. So now I'm going to show you how to make this delicious appetizer by frying it out.
Yeah.
Ian, what do we do?
Flour? Flour first.
Coat it with the flour.
Yes. Coat it. Put it into the egg. Yes.
All right. So I got this here.
Yes.
Okay.
Another one.
Then we're going to put the breadcrumb. I'm going to make sure that it's coated well with the egg. This really wasn't. So.
Was it coated? Oh, with the egg?
Yeah. But go ahead.
Pretty much done here. Okay.
Go back here.
Okay.
This I'm not going to do the panko with. I'm just going to do straight breadcrumb.
All right. I'll do another one just so we have an extra one.
Well, we done did it. Well, how golden brown and beautiful our avocado onion rings are. Our cheeseburger hamburger onion rings are. This we have put in the air fryer. Right. It's our tater tots with the wrap with turkey bacon.
Right.
And this is our mac and cheese onion rings.
Beautifully done.
And this is our spinach artichoke onion rings. Nice one.
Nice one.
Yes.
And of course,
our nice pork bacon. Then we have the sweet potato here, as you can see, wrapped with the turkey bacon. And we have our regular tater tots, as you can see here, wrap this up. And we cannot forget this wonderful onion ring pizza onion ring right here.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a cheese wrap onion ring.
Unbelievable.
Right here.
Yes.
So, I am so excited for us to try this.
Mm-hmm.
6 onion ring appetizers you guys can make. Oh my gosh, you can make less if you want, but at least you have 6 to start out with. And of course, you have the bacon wrapped tater tots. So that gives you 7. Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Okay. I'm going to take one as well.
Looks delicious. You ready? Wow.
The sweetness of that onion.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Delicious.
And the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And the crunchiness. Let's taste some pizza.
Oh, we're getting the pizza now.
Oh, I can't wait.
I'm gonna get this one right here, Mama. Pour it in my mouth.
Pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
The mozzarella, the tomato sauce, then the crunch from the panko.
Delicious.
And the sweetness of the onion. Okay, Ian.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm going to take a sweet potato one.
Thank you. Wow.
You know what I love about this? It's definitely a contrast of the sweet and salty, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have the sweetness of the sweet potato, natural sweetness of the sweet potato, and then you have this turkey
bacon
wrapped. It has a little, hint of salt in it, with the sweetness, great balance.
Just perfectly done.
Mm-hmm. Here we go.
Thank you. Just a little taste. Oh, the oozing and the taste and the textures. Oh.
Okay. Spinach is generally without much flavor, you know that. So you need something to kind of bring it out. And that little tartness from the cream cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And then the artichoke that was marinated.
Yeah.
Because artichokes can be kind of bland too. But the marinade with it, and again the sweetness of the onions, because we use sweet onions, we use Vidalia onions. Totally delicious.
Unbelievable.
Must try. Just taking little bites.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Okay. Here you go. This is our mac and cheese, right?
Yes, the mac and cheese.
See the macaroni?
Yeah.
Right here. Under that beautiful golden crust.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Look at that macaroni. It still tastes so creamy. So good. Again, you can make all 7 of them. You can make just 2 of them. It's all important about trying to open your mind up. Who would think you can do so much with onion rings? Be sure to subscribe for more delicious food content, and this will also help me to grow. And click the like button to give me a virtual hug.